Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so here's now I have my Rubik's Cube here. See it? I'm going to scramble it. Weird though, I don't even know how to scramble it well, but yeah, whatever. This is going to take it. Yeah, but we're scramble. Remember, subscribe, dudes. Scramble. Whatever, I won't look. Sure, I won't look. Can't even see it. Whatever. Okay, that's pretty scrambled. Yeah, that's very enough. This is my scrambled cube. Nothing out of the ordinary. This cube is the most normal cube in the world, or whatever. Okay, the first step is to make the white cross on the bottom. So you have to put the yellow stuff on the top, the yellow middle of the top. Yeah, this here. You need to put the yellow corner in the You need to put the yellow middle piece in the top. Yeah. And then you have to make sort of like a daisy. So like this. So I've got one piece here and I have to put it here. So means it like makes like a daisy. So the first one, it still doesn't look like a daisy still. Well, there's so well you'll just have to do it. See, like this. So you'll turn the daisy. Some see are not. Okay, wait. I'll just scramble it first. Okay, like this. So look. In this case, it's under, and because you know that white and yellow is opposite. So you just have to put this on top. So rotate it twice. Yeah. Nice. Another scenario is when it's on the third layer or the first layer, like here. We've got two. Okay. So you'll just have to look here. You make this face up, and you'll just have to turn it up like this, like that. Yes, excuse me, like that. Yeah, that's all scenarios. So you can make it all done. Well, wiggly end. Yeah, that is the daisy done. Then you have to match the colors. Okay, daisy. Oops. Daisy. Okay, see here. There's blue and blue. The middle and the edge. So you turn it over and it's like this. You do it all the other corners. Rotate it. So like red. Turn it. See? Rotate it. See? So it's down here. So going up. Yep, and you do it the same with the others. Turn down. Find the magic color, turn down. And that's how you get the little cross. The next step is for the corners. So you see, you need to find a corner with white on it. And then you find the other two matching colors. So yeah, where is it? Look here, we've got one. There's a white here and now orange and green. Orange and green, see? And here, there's another orange and green. So you have to do this algorithm. Actually, you have to learn the Rubik's Cube's lingo. Well, it's like this. Okay, so back to the cubing. So the algorithm is R U prime R prime U. So like this, you find the matched corner right here, right here, and you do the same R U. So it's R U prime R prime U. See, it's down on the place. So you do the same with the other corners. These two. Find them. So it's right over here. So if you did one time and it didn't work, then do it multiple times. It definitely works. I'm sure. I've got enough experience to know that it definitely works. So the first time it didn't work, then I did lots of time. I did like a few more times, then it worked. See? Yeah, one more. Do the same algorithm. It's easy now. So you might practice it. Hey, actually, if you do it on a solved Rubik's Cube, you just have to do it 6 times. Well, I think 6 times, and it'll turn back into the normal space. I'm not saying that a scrambled cube, a solved cube. You look like as if you're scrambling it, but after you do it 6 times, then it's back to normal. Okay, anyways, here you can practice it. So, you see, so you've done the bottom layer. So you solved the white. Yeah, you solved the white side. Okay, now the next step is to solve the edges. These. Okay, so those edges, you have to find 2 colors. You have to find the 2 colors that match. And before you have to do it, you have to learn the left-hand algorithm, which is prime L, prime U, L, U. Prime L, prime U, L, U, like that. That's the left-hand algorithm. Remember that, okay? Because we're going to be using that a lot also. So anyway, here, about the soul side. Okay, we need to find an edge on the top without a yellow color. So yeah, so see here, this and this. Then you just have to turn it. You just have to turn it the opposite way of the other color. So see here is orange and green. Orange and green. So you need to turn it to the red side. Okay, after that you have to do the algorithm, or the right hand algorithm on here. Right here. And then if the color that it doesn't have is on the opposite side of the one that I just told you, then you do it mirrored, okay? So see here, these two, turn it to the red side. Do the right hand algorithm. And then turn to the side where the other color is not the red side, but the orange side, because there's green and orange. Then you do the left-hand algorithm, and then it's here. You do it the same with the others. So find them. No yellow. Find the opposite side. This time it's mirrored, so do exactly the mirrored. Left-hand algorithm, right-hand algorithm. Now it's back. Yeah, it's pretty simple, basically. I guess so. If you can't find any without yellow, any edges without yellow on the top, then it must be on the corners, but maybe in the wrong position. So you'll just have to do the algorithm so that it will change into another random one. So we'll just do it. R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime U. See, it swapped to a one with the yellow. So you can just do it. Find the one. Do the exact same. It's easy for cubers. Anyways, so this time it's mirrored, so yeah. Turn it like that. Like this, okay? So now you've got that. Last one. Last one is mirrored. Done. Okay, now you have to do the cross. If you're lucky, then you've already got the cross. But for some people, you still haven't got the cross. So you have to turn the front face F, front face here F, and then do the right hand algorithm R U, and then prime F. Then you do it. Then see, you've made like this a line. Then you have to go to the side here. That is, the line is horizontal. No. So that the line is going to you. So you just have to do the same algorithm, but use F the same as you did earlier. So see, like this, and then you do the right-hand algorithm. Like that. Okay, so now you've done the cross, right? And then turn the top until that there's only one edge matching. See, only one edge, none other match. If two of them match or more, then you'll have to do this algorithm. So it's like here. R U prime R U R prime U twice, and then yeah. So yeah. So only one edge should be matching with the center. So you'll just if you made it so only one side matches, then you can do the same algorithm to it. So R U prime R U R prime U twice, and then R. Okay, so now you've got these, right? Okay, now you have to orient the corners. Try to find a corner that's already in place. If there isn't, then, well, you're out of luck. So you have to So you have to use a slightly modified algorithm. So it's U, R, and then again. And then prime U, and then prime L, and then U, prime R, and then prime U, then L. Are the corners oriented? If it isn't, then do it again. So, yeah. Oops. Practice it to get better. Anyway, still not matching, so I'll keep doing it. Okay, so the corner should be in place, I guess. Yeah. But mine still isn't in place, so I'll keep doing it. Okay, now my corners are in place. You're not solving them yet. I'll give you a tip. You're not solving them yet. Remember, okay? Now you have that's the okay. So now you have to you have to face yourself to the yellow side. Yeah, this side here. To you it's like this, but to me it's like this. Remember that, okay? I'm facing you, so it's the opposite. Okay, whatever. You have to do this algorithm. So it's U, R, prime. Oh, oops. I mean is U, prime R, prime U, R. Keep doing that until the corner fits. So yeah. No. No. Still no. No. Fits. And then you turn the front face like this. F. And then yeah, you keep doing it. No. Yes. Then you keep doing it. No. Yes, okay. And then yeah. Okay, so you just have to turn the front face so that the top layer fits with all, and it's all solved. Okay, bye guys. Remember to subscribe. Bye. Thank you.